the fields now, and who will sow the corn, and who will watch the sheep now, and keep them from all harm? And the stack that's in the haggard, unthrashed it may remain, since Johnny, lovely Johnny, went to fight the King of Spain. Oh, the girls of the Bonnock in sorrow may retire, and the piper and his bellows may go home and blow the fire, since Johnny, lovely Johnny, went sailing o'er the main, along with other patriots to fight the King of Spain. The boys will sorely miss him when Moneymore comes round, and grieve that their bold captain is nowhere to be found. And the peelers must stand idle against their will and grain, since the valiant boy who gave them the work now peels the King of Spain. At wakes and hurling matches, your likes we'll never see, till you come back again to us, a story nog machlee. And won't you trounce the Buckines, who show us much disdain, because our eyes are not as bright as those you meet in Spain. Oh, if cruel fate should not permit our Johnny to return, his awful loss we Bantry girls will never cease to mourn. We'll resign ourselves to our sad lot, and die in grief and pain, since Johnny died for Ireland's pride in the sunny land of Spain.